Paragon Veterinary Group, based in Cumbria, offer advanced cattle breeding services, including IVF from the active ET lab, conventional flushing and embryo transfer from their own facilities in Cumbria and also on farm, servicing clients throughout the UK. They also export their clients' embryos globally. They were at the forefront of developing cattle IVF in the UK and continue to lead, innovate and set the standard for cattle IVF. Paragon's objective is to maximise the quality and quantity of embryos and ultimately result in calves that donors can produce. IVF allows greater numbers of selectively bred calves to be produced over time, including from younger donors as well as from pregnant animals. Embryos produced in the active ET lab are either implanted fresh into prepared recipients or frozen for future domestic or international transfer. Paragon help to ensure that the ideal cows are selected, given the right nutrition, and are carefully prepared for optimal production. Firstly, the cow is well restrained during collection. Then an epidural anaesthetic is given for their comfort and well-being. They remain standing throughout the procedure. The cow is cleaned thoroughly to ensure the procedure is carried out in a sterile and safe manner. The welfare of donors is the top priority. The vet inserts an ultrasound probe into the vagina to visualize each ovary. This guides a needle into each follicle in turn, aspirating the oocytes, which are immature female sex cells, from within. The procedure takes around 15 minutes, including preparation, and the donor is released immediately afterwards. The collection is transported to the lab for searching. The recovered oocytes are filtered, graded, and matured in an incubator overnight. Oocytes are immature female sex cells. They are fertilized to develop into embryos that, following implantation and pregnancy, become future calves. During culture, as they develop into embryos, they are closely monitored. After developing for 7 days, the embryos can be implanted directly into recipients or frozen for storage and either implanted when needed, exported, or shipped elsewhere. IVF can offer a number of advantages over traditional embryo collection techniques. Paragon transfer embryos fresh from their active ET lab, as well as frozen domestic or imported embryos. These are predominantly implanted into synchronized recipients, but can sometimes be transferred following a natural heat. The synchronization of recipients is done in conjunction with your own vet and can be scheduled to fit with your required calving patterns.